Unboxing and review of HY330 Ultra HD 4K Mini Projector. HY330 Mini Projector is remote controlled and comes with an instruction manual. Has a dust removal portal, instructed to clean regularly. Also has a HDMI, USB and headset portal. LED lamp of 30,000 hours. Small size portable lightweight of 1500 grams allows to hold with just one hand and can be taken anywhere you travel. Specially quiet low sound below 25 decibel. Automatically corrects the skewed image so that you can get a square picture every time you project. 8K decoding. Standard resolution of native 1920 into 1080. Projection size 30 to 150 inch. Operating system of Android 11.0 and keeps you entertained through over 4,000 applications. RAM of 1GB and ROM of 8GB. ANSI lumens of 200 and featured with short throw, internet ready, internet built-in with Wi-Fi 6 2.4G and 5G. Surround audio 10-watt speaker and hi-fi stereo. Adjustable stand allows you to choose your favorite viewing posture. The HY330 Mini Portable Projector is well worth the purchase. Use it anytime, anywhere, and enjoy movies or games with your loved ones. Aathi World verdict: 5 stars. Please subscribe for more videos.